In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo sending an email in Gmail even after 30 seconds. This feature can really save the day if you've sent an email in haste and instantly regret it. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can confidently handle this common email mishap. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail by typing mail.google.com in the address bar. Once you're logged in, you'll see your usual Gmail inbox. Now, we want to focus on the settings to enable or extend the undo feature. Look to the top right corner of your screen, and you'll notice a gear icon that represents settings. Click on this gear icon, and from the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This action will bring you to the General tab, where you can make adjustments to various aspects of your Gmail account. Scroll down until you find the Undo Send option. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu that allows you to set the cancellation period for sent emails. By default, it might be set to 10 seconds, but you can increase this to 30 seconds, or even longer if future updates permit. Go ahead and select your desired time frame from the options given. Once you've made your selection, make sure to scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is crucial as it will apply the new settings to your account. With that setup ready to go, let's try a quick demonstration to see it in action. Compose a new email by clicking on the Compose button on the left side of your inbox. Enter any test email address, add a subject and message, and then hit Send. Once done, keep an eye on the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a prompt that says Message Sent, with an option to undo. If you wish to retract the email, simply click Undo within your set cancellation period. Doing so will retract the email from the recipient's inbox, allowing you to make any necessary edits before sending it again or simply deleting it. It's a great feature for those times when hindsight kicks in a tad too late. There you have it. Now you know how to activate and use the Undo Send feature in Gmail, providing you with a valuable safety net when emailing. It's a subtle but powerful tool that adds a layer of protection against common email faux pas. Experiment with different cancellation times to see which one best suits your emailing habits, and remember, practicing with dummy emails can help you become adept at using this feature.